Corn, rice and wheat are the most widely grown crops in the world, covering millions of hectares and consumed by billions of people. In this video, we explore these three agricultural staples and why they are in such high demand. Wheat. Wheat is a rich source of carbohydrates, proteins, fiber, vitamins and minerals. It is the primary energy source for humans and grows during a growing season that typically lasts from 4 to 6 months. During this time, it is important to manage weeds, pests and diseases. Wheat's versatility, nutritional value and ability to adapt to different growing conditions make it an indispensable part of the global food chain. It is also a key ingredient in many other products, such as pasta, cereals and pastries. Rice. Rice is grown in diverse conditions, from flooded rice paddies that require significant water to upland fields and even dry fields. Water is a critical resource for growing rice, especially for traditional flooded systems. Rice can also withstand drought, making it a valuable crop in arid regions. Harvesting usually occurs when the grains become hard and change color from green to golden or brown. The crop can be harvested manually or by machine. Corn. High yields are one of the main reasons corn is so popular with farmers worldwide. It can be grown in various conditions, from hot and dry to cool and humid, and is not very demanded on soil. Corn can be grown in a wide range of climates, making it accessible for cultivation in many regions of the world. In Europe, it is grown in many countries, but the main producers are France, Hungary, Italy, Romania and Spain. Cultivation is mainly focused on animal feed and industrial use. In Africa, corn is a key food crop, especially in the eastern and southern regions of the continent. It serves as a primary source of food for the local population. Corn ethanol is used as an environmentally friendly biofuel or an additive to gasoline to reduce carbon dioxide emissions. Due to its high productivity and wide range of uses, corn is a very profitable crop for agribusiness. It is also worth remembering to care for crops and nurture them during the growing process, further enriching the plants with nutrients. This will help them cope with bad weather, grow strong and bring high yields. To do this, we recommend considering fertilizers from the Wonder Factory. They are guaranteed to provide your plants with the necessary nutrients at any stage of growth and development, even during critical periods of their life. To improve water and solutions parameters, we recommend the Adjuvant line from this manufacturer. Like and comment on our content to support us. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss us. See you soon!